Hello. This guide will show you how to set up any theme blocks that require a manual installation. Once completed, you'll be able to use Configurator to its fullest. Let's get started. If you haven't already, click the Setup Guide tab on the Configurator app. At the top of Step 1, you'll see two badges, Product Block and Cart Guard. When they have an orange background, it means that they are not installed. Once we're done, these will have a green background, signaling that they were successfully installed. Click the Open Product Template in Theme Editor button to begin the setup. This opens the theme editor. Click the block icon. Now enable Quote Cart Quantity Guard. You can do this by clicking on the slider. Enabling this allows Configurator to control the purchase quantity set in a finalized quote. Now click the hamburger icon. Open the section beneath Product Information in the template area. Click Add Block, then click the Apps tab in the pop-up. Then click Product Configurator. Now click Save. This places the Configurator app on your product page so your customers can use it. Now click Default Product at the top center of the header, and then click Checkout and Customer Accounts. Click Checkout at the top center of the header, and then click Profile. Click the block icon and then click the plus symbol next to Saved Quotes. On the Add Page to pop-up, click Accounts. On the new pop-up, click Add to Menu and then click Save. Then click Save again. Now your customers can see any quotes they've made using Configurator. Click X to close the modal. Installation of the required blocks has been completed. You may now exit the theme editor. Let's go back to the Setup Guide, and the two badges at the top of Step 1 should now have green backgrounds. This completes the required theme block installation.